Hi guys, you are welcome. In today's lesson, we are given 1 all over x plus 1 over 2 equals 5 all over 6 to find the value of x, okay? So to solve this kind of problem, first, you consider the denominators by taking their LCM, okay? So when you find the LCM of the denominators, you have LCM to be what? 6x, all right? So this 6x as the LCM, use it to multiply each term here, okay? So let's go. Solution, the LCM of the denominator, which is 6x, okay? Use it to multiply each term. So you have 6x times 1 over x plus 6x, okay, times 1 over 2 equals 6x times 5 all over what? 6. Okay, so from here you observe that x will go with x, 2 here 1, 2 here you have 3, okay, 6 here 1, 6 here 1. So we multiply. So this becomes 6 times 1, you have 6, okay, plus 3x, okay, times 1 is 3x, equals 5x times what? 5 will give you what? 5x, okay? So from here, when you collect like terms, this becomes 3x minus 5x, okay, equals minus 6, all right? So from here, when you subtract 3x from 5x, you have minus 2x, okay, equals minus 6, all right? Because we have minus minus here, so this will go away with this. Divide both sides by 2, all right? We have it that the value of x is equal to what? 3. So this is the value of x that satisfies this beautiful equation. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.